This is Arthur Caldwell's for Ultimate Motorcycling here at the Dunlop Q4 tire launch. I'm out here at Chuckwalla Raceway, out in the California desert. The Q3 Plus is a fantastic tire.
Great all-around sport tire, really good balance of grip and wear. It's suitable for taking to tracks, and but gets a little bit more wear than Q3 used to do.
There are lots and lots of racers and fast track guys who swear by a Q3 Plus. But the truth of it is, the Q3 Plus is not a purely dedicated, uncompromising race compound tire. Dunlop needed a very specific soft compound track tire, a really capable, uncompromising tire that doesn't worry too much about wear, and the sole mission is grip. So, welcome to the Q4. Now, interestingly, the Q4 is not replacing the Q3 Plus. The Q3 Plus is still going to be sold. It's an excellent tire if you're a street guy and you do some track days, and even if you're a fast track day guy, the Q3 Plus will be absolutely fine. Nobody's going to end up wanting to stop using Q3 Pluses. But if you are a really uncompromising grip guy and you just want to go as fast as possible and you don't care about wear, you don't care about cost, the Q4 is going to be for you.
The Q3 Plus, which stays in the line, has a multi-tread to give you that harder compound in the center for more longevity. The Q4 is a no-compromise track performance tire, so it's a single tread.
I've been riding this tire today at Chuckwalla, and what I can tell you is that the Q4 has obviously a much softer compound than the Q3 Plus, so it has a lot more grip. It really does.
So it's a similar operating temperature profile to the Q3 Plus edge compounds, but more grip over the entire operating range. So the point is, compared to a race tire that you need tire warmers to get up in an operating range that works well for the race tires, this tire right from cold, just half a lap, get it going, and then it's the grip comes right in, and it's a higher level of grip then that stays consistent. Eventually, a full-on race tire at ultimate temperatures will have more overall grip, but this tire has more grip more quickly, and more grip than most street tires, but is a non-tire warmer tire.
It has a more aggressive profile than the Q3 Plus, so it goes to maximum lean angle a lot quicker. When they told us about that, I was actually a little concerned. I thought, does this mean that the bike's going to start flopping into corners? No, it does not. The Q4 still has that beautiful linear feel as you go from upright to lean angle that Dunlop is so well known for.
More specifically, it's Jointless Tread, what we call JLT, where we extrude a ribbon of tread directly onto the tire while we're building it, just like the Moto America race tires.
The other thing is the Q4 still uses the carbon fiber technology used in the Q3 Plus. So it has that nice sidewall stiffness that under hard braking, it's still got plenty of feel on the front, but the front doesn't squirm, it just stays nice and planted. So the long and the short of it is the Q4 has more grip than the Q3 Plus. It won't last as long, but for uncompromising guys, it really is a fantastic tire, and it doesn't sacrifice any of the legendary Dunlop feel that you get, with the tires. The other thing about the Q4 is the size variations.
Like a 180/60. So if you have a 600 that comes with a 180/55, you can put the more aggressive profile 180/60 on. It's a taller and steeper tread drop, which gives you more footprint when you're leaned over. We also have the 255 as a more aggressive profile option for leader bikes. Those sizes also come OEM on some European bikes, and so now we have those sizes available in the Q4.
So again, if you're in the liter bike class and you're looking for a super grippy Dunlop rear tire in a 200 size, you're going to be very happy with this tire. In terms of price, the Q4 is actually only going to be about 10 to 15% more than the Q3 Plus. So the pricing is very comparable. The Q4 is slightly more expensive, but really not much at all. You will wear out your Q4s quicker than your Q3 Pluses, but guys that are really just interested in pure grip, the Q4 is going to be for you.